Hey, thank you for checking out this video. This is the front page of the Science Says Flat Earth flyer. Did you know Earth is flat? The official Flat Earth and Globe discussion logo there. The next page we have NASA fails. YouTube bubbles in space. NASA trains its astronauts in a pool. Coincidentally, in many NASA spacewalk videos, bubbles are visible moving through space. Drain the pool, NASA! NASA's CGI blunders. NASA has been caught time and again faking space. From stop motion animation to green screen glitches to bad Photoshop to countless CGI planets and images. Photoshop levels reveal composited image of Earth. AS11-44-6642. Footage shows Neil Armstrong and crew discussing how to fake the famous view of Earth using the shape of the window. NASA's budget $56 million a day. And all we get is a lot of CGI. NASA is really bad at faking it. All we have to do is be willing to investigate and admit we were conned. Nobody in human history, as far as I know, has thought the world was flat, says Brian Cox. The Hebrews, the Norse, the Hindu, the Mayan, the Inca, the Navajo, the Egyptian. NASA doesn't seem to align. Next page we have top 10 flat earth proofs. Number 1, water is a natural level. No curvature is ever detected over bodies of water. All liquids, when undisturbed, are flawlessly flat. Number 2, airplane level flights. The FAA assumes a flat Earth when training pilots using their target generation facility. An airplane traveling 500 miles per hour would have to compensate for a drop of 2,777 feet every minute to maintain cruising altitude and not fly off into space. Number 3, science says it's stationary. Every scientific experiment has proven Earth is completely stationary. The sun, moon, and stars move around polar center above us. Research the North Star, Michelson-Morley, the Sagnac experiment, and Airy's failure. And the next page we have number 4. Horizon is always eye level. Not only is the horizon always flat to the observer, but it rises to eye level. High-altitude amateur balloon footage without a fisheye or GoPro lens always shows a flat Earth. Where's the curve? Amateur balloon footage. Number 5. We see too far. Mount Canigou in France is seen 175 miles away. According to the curvature formula of Earth, 8 inches times miles squared, the peak should be 3,000 feet below the horizon. Infrared is very revealing. Mount Canigou at 175 miles away. And we have Mount San Jacinto at 123 miles away. The mountain peak should be here for a curved Earth, but it's here. Infrared footage. Footage by J. Tolan Media 1. Number 6, the dome is real. There are lots of proofs we live under a dome. Sundogs, halos, rainbows, and star trails all prove this. You can't have a vacuum resting next to a pressurized atmosphere without a barrier. Even NASA admits they can no longer leave low Earth orbit. But they could in 1969? Moving on to the next page, we have number 7. Moonlight is cold. A laser thermometer proves moonlight is colder than in the shade. This fact indicates that the moon is not a reflector of the sun's light, but rather a light source in and of itself. Number 8, crepuscular sun rays. The sun is smaller than Earth and very close. We can trace the angle of rays back to their source above the clouds. The sun is clearly not massive or 93 million miles away, but small and relatively close. Number 9, gravity is magic. Newton's theory has never been proven. Gravity is easily explained by density and buoyancy. Things rise or fall based on their density and the medium with which they are traveling through. Number 10. Boats. Over the curve? It is a common misconception that boats disappear out of sight because of the curvature of the Earth. The introduction of the Nikon P900 and P1000 have posed a real problem for the supposed curve of the Earth. Just zoom in! And the next and final page we have is resources. Check out these Flat Earth films and content providers on YouTube. There are many, many more too. On YouTube, A Stranger's Guide to Flat Earth by ODD Reality, Globebusters live on Sundays from 12 to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Jeranism, Satellites Are Fake by Jeranism, DITRH, Flat Earth is Jericho, and Mark Sargent, Flat Earth Clues. We got Rob Skiba, Atmospheric Magnification, and Paul on the Plains YouTube channel. Check out these websites as well. The Flat Earth Podcast, Jeranism, Testing the Globe, Flat Earth 101, or NASALies.org. Who we are. The official Flat Earth and Globe discussion is a group on Facebook with over 125,000 members. There is no cursing or insults allowed. If you decide to join, please respect the rules. Feel free to add your friends. Nathan Thompson, the founder. Check him out on YouTube. His Instagram is The Globe is Flat. Thank you all for watching. Be blessed.